So you woke up and decided to have a cup of coffee. And you come to your coffee machine, start operating, and do some usual morning routine, wait until it's heating, and then right now it's heating, it's still heating. It's okay, it's a usual thing. Okay, so it's ready. And you put your cup here and say you would like to have some mild coffee. So would like to have some mild coffee, 1 cup. And by the way, it's a nice machine. It works for more than 10 years already. Works on a daily basis. And then you see, here comes a disaster. Instead of 2 streams coffee, you see only 1. And it's so disappointing. And you actually it works. I mean, the coffee is still here. I don't know if you see it, but it looks ugly, and that means at some moment in time both of the taps will be clogged with some coffee remains. So what are we supposed to do in this very situation? So you see, one of the taps is clogged and all of the product goes through the other, through the only one. The first idea that actually comes to my head is completely disassemble the whole machine. And actually I started doing this, and I found several screws on the back side of the machine, and I unscrewed them, and at some moment I understood that actually, yes, it's possible to remove the both sides and that protective cover out of the machine, but it gives you no further option to remove the clogging from these very, I don't know how it's called. I should look up at the documentation. Okay, here it's called coffee spout, whatever it means. Anyway, since I successfully done it, I will show you how to disassemble it, because it's kind of easy. It's you shouldn't disassemble anything except this very thing. So you just need to find those small pins on the both sides, and then press on the both sides at the same time, and then just pull the closest the surface closest to you, and then pull the bottom with some force, not much, but still with the force. And as you see, it goes forward, and then press I don't know, somewhere like this, so just like bottom to yourself, to forward, and then up. And you see, it's easily, okay, not so easily, but still, it is possible to disassemble that thing with your bare hands. You see, nothing so special. Then there is a, I don't know, some kind of covers and 2 plastic tubes and taps, and another like elastic tube. So actually it's possible to remove it, then use water to clean it completely, and then put everything back. So it's kind of easy. I will do it again. So do the same thing in the reverse order. Like at first you should put the color, and then oops, that was unexpected. Sorry about that. So I probably have to do it again. Looks like it, actually. So you even don't have to use any tool to do this kind of disassembling. Oh no, it's clicked, so no, it's okay. It's kind of solid. Here and say, I'd like to have a normal one. Normal, then copy. This will be the question. Will it work? Will it work or not? Still a question? It works!